Okay, today masterclass tutorial lesson 9. We're going to talk about bookkeeper and tax accountant. What is bookkeeper and tax accountant? In order to become a bookkeeper, we must have some experience in tax accounting system. So better experience in this accounting system and you can provide a service as a bookkeeper for the company. Combine with your experience and technology software that you can be helpful for your service provider. Having put yourself into a market position to promote your service. But why do I mention this? Because there is also a lot of agency are also doing the same thing as what you are trying to do. But in order to compete with them, you need to be in difference, which you can add value and you can provide for a potential client. And that is important because it does help on this area. Just to share you one of my story with my Mercedes-Benz customer. One of them having problem of paying tax of $2 million over a period of 10 years. Somehow I get him connected with this guy. He is really a tax accountant. Help him from 2 million bring down to 300,000 tax that he had to pay. I think basically at the end of the day, the tax accountant, the person who pay him is about 160,000 on that part to solve his problem over the $2 million. So this is something that I want to share with you. Okay, yesterday I created a new video lesson dedicated helping to create selling proposal as a bookkeeper and tax accountant services that as a freelancer. So it covers everything you need to know to create useful and desirable services that your potential customer want to buy from you. If you have a unique skill and talented and knowledge on the particular subject, then you will turn it into a digital marketing that can promote as your own forever. Then this is for you. Even you have zero specialist knowledge and but you have massive collection of technology with the resale rights and the type of services, and one can turn them into a unique service, then no one can copy them this from you. So this is a unit of a combination between your experience and the technology that will help you be one level better than the others competitors in market. So let's hop past into those. I have created the digital video and just go to with the experience. Let's hop in it.
What is bookkeeping and tax accountant? Bookkeeping is the recording of financial transactions and is part of the process of accounting in business and other organizations. 1. It involves preparing source documents for all transactions, operations, and other events of a business. Transactions include purchases, sales, receipts, and payments by an individual person or an organization, corporation. There are several standard methods of bookkeeping, including the single-entry and double-entry bookkeeping systems. While these may be viewed as real bookkeeping, any process for recording financial transactions is a bookkeeping process. The company can outsource to a freelancer who is professional in bookkeeping and tax accounting. Organizations will be engaged professionals to perform bookkeeping functions is usually called the bookkeeper. They usually write the daybooks, which contain records of sales, purchases, receipts, and payments, and document each financial transaction, whether cash or credit, into the correct daybook, that is, petty cash book, supplier's ledger, customer ledger, etc., and the general ledger. If you've experienced as a tax accountant before, this area can be a part job, and combine with some knowledge of the internet and using software, it makes a job easy. So this is an opportunity for work at home digital marketing for senior citizens. When you start a business, bookkeeping services are the last thing on your mind. We wanted to offer bookkeeping for startups that would free the entrepreneur from the routine and help you see the real-time picture. There is software that can process docs automatically, while our experts back the algorithm and answer questions. Now you can outsource bookkeeping. Makes sense. You get to see your books every day, not at the end of the month. You won't have to waste time weeks after to find a missing invoice. We chase every document within 24 hours, while you can still recall what it was. Most importantly, you get to see your financials daily. We gather all the data in a dashboard. See your bank balance, all the bills you have to pay and the ones that your counterparts owe you, and plan your cash flow. We do bookkeeping online with a convenient platform. All documents get stored in one place, making it easy to find them. Uploading won't take much time, either. Take a picture with your phone, drag and drop a file on your laptop. Better still, you can forward an email with invoices attached. We will open and save it in your account automatically. You just watch it magically appear in the right place, with the right tags, matched to the correct transaction. Offer bookkeeping services for small businesses means you don't have much time for it. So, we make sure we don't waste it. Whenever you have a minute or a question, we answer fast. We have experts respond in a chat 24/7 and within 15 minutes, even late at night or on weekends. We know your business hours are dedicated to doing your business. If you have past experience with tax accountants, this is good for retired seniors to spend a bit of time to make you healthy and free.
Bookkeeper or tax accountant. If you have a specialized knowledge regarding accounting, or you were a CPA or a bookkeeper before, you can work from home offering this type of service. Basically, people need bookkeepers, and unfortunately, nearby bookkeepers cost a lot of money. Also, this type of service can easily be done online. You just send out digital packages. As long as you have the skills to do this, you can provide it through the internet. 2 models. There are 2 service provision models for people looking to become online bookkeepers or tax accountants. Use an agency or provide it directly yourself. Going through an agency. The great thing about becoming part of an online bookkeeping or accounting agency is that you don't have to worry about where your next project's going to come from. They do promotions, and they basically will market themselves, so they get a steady stream of clients for you. The downside to working with an agency is that a significant chunk of your income will go to the agency. Going your own way. The great thing about offering your own tax accounting and bookkeeping service directly to the general public is the fact that you don't have to split your fee with anybody. The downside to this is that you have to know online marketing well for you to earn using this technique. Otherwise, it's going to be tough for you to earn money as a tax accountant or bookkeeper. You have to have the right marketing skills to make this happen. See the marketing section later in this training.
Okay, we have come to the end of lesson 9. So hope you enjoy and have learning and have fun that what you gather. To have more information and things, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it to the thumbs up and click the bell so that you'll be informed in the future of whatever learning. Should you need any advice on the online internet marketing, just can tinkle me and see whether I can help you on this area to added value to your clients or potential clients. That can be good for you. As I mentioned earlier, sometimes you can be, as a freelancer, you could be competing with agency that is providing the service. So how are you to overcome with the competitions and things like that? Well, I think this is a good idea. And the good thing that if you can do online, you can do even like a global business. There will be a company that need your kind of services in the market. So this is one area that you should consider, not only just local. And of course, how to promote yourself in the market situation, because there are a few things. You can go to Fiverr or you can go to Upwork marketing site and then promote your services. So basically this is the whole idea, to set up a funnel system and to understand more how you can do the follow-up, which will be run autopilot. Just let me know. Thank you very much.